Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how can you export some video from your camera to your camera roll from CapCut. It will be very short tutorial, so stick until the end and click that subscribe button. If you want to do that, of course you need to open CapCut. Here find the project that you want to export. Of course I will take this one for the sake of this video. Maybe you can see it was from earlier video. Here in top side of the screen you can select all the details. You can select it to be 4K, 720 or just normal full HD version. You can adjust the frame rate too. I will keep it in the middle, and this I always use recommend. And when you are done with this, just click on this export button right here and wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. Your video is now in your camera roll. I hope that I helped you. Until next one, bye.